Hey, Pjtruckin, we're back. It's our first truck meet of the year. We're gonna get a lot of people to do burnouts, otherwise it's boring. We had a couple trucks that we did that you guys have seen on the channel. There's gonna be a bunch. We're gonna have some live action. PJ is gonna get hyped up. Might be a long video.
Throw the vest on? Did we throw the vest on?
We might have to throw the vest on, and we're gonna go find a cone. We're gonna go borrow one. Borrow a cone. We got the Nick Hollinger right here.
Nick Hollinger, bro.
No 6'7".
This truck inspired me to build a blue truck. Is old Bessie right here.
Just go ahead and skip to 5 minutes and 10 seconds. We're gonna see what the blue truck can do with the tune. 2022 ECU, so we'll see. We've never seen a burnout with a 2022 tune. So we'll see. We'll see. Drop a like.
Switch back door handle.
Switch back door handles, dude. Oh, dude.
The world's best driver right here. This guy can drive. Let me tell you about it.
Chris, you just talking about what happened on the ride here.
Oh, dude.
It's been a while since we had the Cummins on the channel, bro. Dude,
Just like and subscribe to this video. Maybe will melt these tires off the fucking wheels.
oh, dude, the conforce.
How many likes? How many likes? What's
No.
What's a good like range? I don't know.
200 is pushing.
All right, 300.
Oh, 300 likes. He's letting her read, dude. Do a burnout. Do a burnout. A little one.
Call me by your name, cause you don't know the Bobos, I be menacing. I got to the rapping, cause you really ignorant. How you fuck a hood, still gon' go legitimate. How you fuck a bunch of bitches, but they still respect the women. He still rolling in Sonata, he just got the windows tinted. Homie stab me in the back and he can never be forgiven. In my mind,
In the caddy! Traction control! ABS, dude! Oh! Dude, look at these guys, bro. These guys are throwing shit at people's trucks.
I run this, and you come over and you fuck everybody's shit.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
I'm not doing burnouts, bro.
Now it don't matter, but you're telling this fucking idiots to do it.
That's a police officer.
Don't worry about it. Then don't come down here. You're from the south, dog.
Office in public
The
area.
south.
Bitch, I get let me meditate, then I celebrate. Tryna get the cake, I don't take a break. Yeah, bitch, wait. Grew up in the 90s, we was watching Ricky Lake. We was eating top ramen on a TV dinner plate. Made that couple dollars, so I probably get the steak. Go on out of down the business, got so good and I be late. I'm so epidemic, I'm a causing epidemic.
Okay, Mark.
Bitch, I get hot.
I know you guys really love this truck on the channel, so if you can, hit up Griffin_Wolfer.
I'm right here, it's my truck.
Griffin_Wolfer and say, we want to see a full review. Right, dude? We want to see a full walk.
He's not here tonight. I'm driving.
PJ's gonna say at Griffin Wolfer. He's gonna say he's gonna put it in the video, but he's never gonna put it in the video.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, bro, your guys' favorite mega cab on the channel, dude. Bro, oh, dude, you don't know anybody like that, bro. In this town, bro. He's got the frame plates now, bro. This is a new truck on the channel. This thing's hard. Look at that purple flake in the powder, dude. Dude, this thing's hard, bro. Dude, look at that flake boy on the PMF, dude. Dude, that is flaky, bro. Come on, let her eat. Let her eat, bro. Yeah! Yeah! Let her eat. TK Ford. Oh, he doesn't want to get canceled. Yo, can the tow truck do a burnout? Zach, light him up. No, that thing's fast.
What's up, guys? This is Pjtruckin. Follow him, subscribe to him. And if you guys want any hitches, my name is Steven. Follow me on Instagram. That's my name and number, whatever you guys need.
You got one for YouTube. Oh, he's got one. Hey.
I did a burnout. They threw something at him and he got out.
Get the guy with the camera.
Right behind him.
Oh, this is my truck. Oh, not again, Chris.
Let's go, I'm gonna start impounding vehicles. Let's go.
Hey, Pablo.
Dude, Nick Halder. Good, you're good.
They definitely called the cops as soon as they left because what a coincidence, you know?
Oh, there are more feds.
All right, we got to get out of here before we get arrested.
All right, guys. Pretty much yesterday, absolutely insane. Definitely starting this little part of the vlog off with, I do not think that's how you should stop burnouts. That's absolutely insane, bro. But, you know, we talked to them. Hopefully that's never going to happen again. Moving forward, dude, I'm authentic, bro. My brand is doing burnouts, you know? I didn't do any burnouts in particular, but, you know, I'm filming it for you guys, you know? Sick truck content, you know? So, here's the deal, dude. If you see the camera, do a burnout, bro. That's never gonna change. Also, make sure to subscribe, hit post notifications, because right now we're going to a truck show in Key Largo, in the Keys, the Florida Keys, if you're not from here. Absolutely sick. It's all classic, like Slam C10s and shit. And then we're meeting up with Willie from Specialty Fords and the Poppy's Garage Trucks. And there's a secret YouTuber we're gonna be collabing with. Make sure to subscribe, hit post notifications, and then tomorrow, which is right now, today is Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday. Bro, oh dude, get the 69 Camaro, bro, get the 69 Camaro. Shoo! And then tomorrow, Sunday, dude, I'm going to Naples to film an absolutely sick truck. It's my favorite truck on the internet, and it's one of the most famous trucks on the internet. Dude, I'm pumped. I hope you guys are. The only way to see it is if you subscribe, hit post notifications. That video is gonna be on Saturday. This video is gonna be on Wednesday. And I appreciate you guys for watching tonight's video. Dude, we're stacking content. We're collabing. We got big things in the works. We got big builds coming. Make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching. Pjtruckin. Red gang, dude.
Because he's putting in the work and he deserves it.